It is estimated that there are around 8,000 to 10,000 bird species in the world, with a global bird population of 50 billion to 428 billion. These birds are found throughout the world. Some are endemic, occupying only a limited area, while others live in various places and countries. In this video, we'll discuss bird species from various countries. Most of the species are endemic, and they're listed alphabetically by country name. And before continuing to discuss the first type of bird, don't forget to subscribe first so that this channel can grow and always provide interesting information about birds around the world. One, Africa. The secretary bird is a bird native to Africa. It is a large, terrestrial bird of prey endemic to Africa and often found in the open grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa. Its diet consists of insects, mammals ranging from mice to rabbits and civets, crabs, lizards, snakes, turtles, young birds, and bird eggs. This bird is highly admired in Africa for its striking appearance and ability to handle pests and snakes. 2. Angola. A beautiful bird native to Angola is the Gabela's helmetshrike. This medium-sized bird, measuring 18 to 19 centimeters in length, is endemic to Angola and can only be found there. Its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests and subtropical or tropical moist mountain forests. Its diet consists of insects, beetles, butterflies, caterpillars, grasshoppers, spiders, geckos, and other insects. 3. Argentina. A bird native to Argentina is the hooded grebe. This 32 centimeters long, duck-like bird is found in southern Argentina and is an endangered bird. Its breeding grounds are in the basaltic lakes of Santa Cruz, and its wintering grounds are the estuaries of the Rio Coil, Rio Gallegos, and Rio Chico on the Atlantic coast of Santa Cruz. For Australia. A beautiful bird from Australia is the Gouldian finch. This small bird, measuring 12 to 13 centimeters, is a member of the finch family and lives in northern Australia, particularly the Kimberley and Northern Territory. This bird has been exported worldwide and is widely kept by people in countries other than Australia. In fact, this bird has been widely bred in captivity in various countries, resulting in a large captive population. Five, Bahamas. The Bahamas woodstar is a bird native to this country. It is a species of hummingbird endemic to the Lucayan archipelago, including the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Islands. Its body is very small, measuring 8 to 9 centimeters in length. It feeds on flower nectar from local plants, and it visits flowers in the morning and evening. 6. Bolivia. A bird native to Bolivia is a species of macaw, the red-fronted macaw. This bird, measuring 55 to 60 centimeters in length, is endemic to small, semi-desert mountainous areas in Bolivia. Most macaws nest in cavities in large trees, but their habitat lacks very large trees, so they nest in vertical crevices in cliff faces. In the past, they were captured for the pet trade and killed by local farmers due to their abundance of crops. While currently endangered, they have been successfully bred in captivity and are available in small numbers as pets. Seven, Brazil. The Spix's macaw is a beautiful blue bird native to Brazil. This bird can only be found in captivity, as it is now extinct in the wild, but is being conserved through several breeding programs. In the past, this bird had a very restricted natural habitat and often nested in a few Tababuia aurea trees. Now, they can be found in captivity in Brazil, in Bahia, Piauí, Maranhão, and Goiás. Eight, Cambodia. A bird native to Cambodia is the Cambodian tailorbird. A small bird with an orange-red tuft on its head, found only in Cambodia. Its habitat is likely limited to a single dense bush in the Mekong River floodplains. It builds its nest by sewing together fine fibers, hence the name tailorbird. Nine, Cameroon. A bird endemic to Cameroon with a beautiful crest on its head. It's called the Bannerman's turaco, named in honor of ornithologist David Armitage Bannerman. It measures 43 centimeters in length. It feeds on fruit. Its natural habitat is subtropical or tropical moist mountain forests. It is critically endangered due to habitat loss. Ten, Canada. A bird native to Canada is the Harris's sparrow. The small bird is a species of sparrow with a black face. It is endemic to Canada, breeding in north-central Canada, particularly the Northwest Territories and Nunavut. This bird breeds in dwarf forests and surrounding scrublands. It often grows near the northern limit of tree growth in the forest tundra ecotone. (11) China. The Chinese monal is a beautiful bird native to this country. It is a large bird, reaching 80 centimeters in length and weighing an average of 7 pounds. It is native to west-central China and is restricted to the mountains of western Sichuan and southern Gansu. The male has a large, drooping purple crest, bluish-green plumage, and black underparts. The female is dark brown with a white throat. 12. Colombia. This bird, native to Colombia, is a species of hummingbird called the Gorgeted puffleg, endemic to Colombia and an endangered hummingbird species. It is beautiful, with cotton-like feathers on its legs. It is a small bird, measuring 8 to 9 centimeters long and weighing 4.5 grams. It feeds on nectar from flowering shrubs in dense vegetation.